Hey everyone, in this video I'm looking through some photos I took in Malaga in Spain with my Contax T2. I thought I'd shown you all of my Malaga pictures, and you probably thought that too, but there's just this one roll left. The film is one of my favourites, Ilford Pan F Plus 50. It's a beautiful black and white film with fine but noticeable grain. I love how it can show subtle details, but still has a lovely texture to it. I've edited these pictures quite lightly. Don't for a second treat them as perfect examples of either the film or of the camera, but they are examples all the same. My instinct was to increase the contrast a little with these, and I have done so, but more lightly than I might have done. Anyhow, none of that changes the composition or subject or what these pictures mean to me. For the record, they were taken in March this year, and as I'm writing this, it's October 2020. They are from the end of my nearly 2-month trip to Spain. It was my dream escape from the English winter, and now we're approaching those colder months again. So like most photos, these are taking me back in time a little. My trip to Spain came to a rushed end as the pandemic washed across the world and slowly down towards us from the north of the country. What marks these photos most for me is that as I was taking them, I knew it was best to get back home to England as soon as possible. They are a fast tour of the city and are something of a farewell. They are not taken in the relaxed spirit of exploration that I usually enjoy, but they are still a bookend to a wonderful little adventure. There are quite a few familiar scenes here that I had photographed dozens of times that I just wanted to photograph one last time, and with this particular roll of film. It was like a greatest hits collection of my pictures from the past few weeks. I walked to the port and to the beach. I climbed the historic hill that I can't pronounce and looked down on the city as if to say goodbye to all of it and to everyone that I'd met there all at once. I even asked my friend to take my picture. That's just how sentimental I was feeling. Thank you all for watching. Coming soon will be pictures with another of my favourite film, the much grainier Ilford Delta 3200. Find my links to Instagram and other equally fun places on the internet in the description below. See you all very soon. Thanks again.